Welcome to AccuWeb hosting video tutorial. Today we will see how to install GeoIP on AlmaLinux. GeoIP is a tool that shows the location of an IP address on AlmaLinux 9 and similar Linux systems. It helps with security, content customization, and traffic analysis. Since AlmaLinux is like RHEL, installing GeoIP is easy. In this video, we will go through the steps to install GeoIP on AlmaLinux. Let's continue the video. Step 1. Update the system. On RHEL-based Linux, the system updates repositories automatically before installing software. However, it's recommended to update packages manually to get the latest security patches. Run this command to update the system. Step 2. Enable EPEL and REMI repositories. GeoIP packages are not available in the default AlmaLinux 9 repositories, so we need to add third-party repositories. Install the EPEL repository required for REMI. To install it, run the following command. Next, install the REMI repository for AlmaLinux 9. To install it, run the following command. Next, install dnf-utils to manage repositories. To install it, run the following command. Now, you need to enable the REMI repository. To enable it, run the following command. Update the system again. Step 3. Install GeoIP on AlmaLinux 9. AlmaLinux 9 provides two packages, GeoIP and GeoIP GeoLite. These include the GeoIP library and a free geolocation database. GeoIP core tools and libraries for IP geolocation. GeoIP GeoLite, a free geolocation database from MaxMind. To install GeoIP, run the following command. Step 4. Verify the installation. After installation, you can check if GeoIP is working by looking up an IP address. Run the following command to verify the installation. If installed correctly, you'll see location details for 8.8.8.8, Google's public DNS, like. This confirms GeoIP is installed and working. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to install GeoIP on AlmaLinux. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumb up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.